What's going on, everybody? Good morning. This is day 14. This is 2 weeks into our vlog series on the path to $30,000 a month. Today's gonna be short. It's Sunday. Weekends are usually shorter just because I want to do more things throughout the day. Also kind of just enjoy my day and not be working all day. So I'm actually going to be doing a little tutorial on this video, and that's basically going to be it. I'm going to be going over my cold lead strategy to my $30,000 a month. Now this is going to maybe work for me, but maybe not for you in certain circumstances. And also, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this may be a good video to watch just to kind of see a breakdown of what I'm about to do and going on for the next 20-ish days of doing these cold lead emails. So enjoy the video. If you guys love it, let me know, comment down below. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, I just want to show you kind of what I'm doing on my computer and why I think this may get me to $30,000 a month, doing cold email to businesses. So I'm creating a flow right now on Klaviyo. If you don't know what Klaviyo is, it is an email marketing software that's built in with Shopify. And so I'm just gonna show you my sample flow, and I'm not done yet, but like I said, this channel is about growing to $30,000 a month, and I also want to help you guys as well. So let's get started. Let me show you my flow. So here's my trigger. So I created a list of everybody that's in Concord that is a gift shop or a boutique, okay, specifically. Now I'm going to be making plenty of these. This is just for Concord decals. So they get triggered into they get added to the email. Okay, that's the trigger. Then they come down here to email number one. Email number one is the offer I'm sending. Okay, so this is my template. Dear, and then the email. Okay, I hope this message finds you well. I showed you this in my last video, so yesterday, day 13. So basically, kind of run through, and then I show them the decals, and they can look at them and do whatever. If they purchase, cool. So this is the first email that they get. Then there's a conditional split. Now, if they ordered, they get a thank you. They get a thank you email. So like, thank you so much for ordering. Thank you for being a part of the Quality Prints USA family, etc., etc. If they did not, I wait 3 days and then send them another email. Okay, so this is going to be their other email here, and I send them a dear, whoever it was. I hope this email finds you well again. We're thrilled to offer you this 10% discount. And then they have a code, Concord10, they can use for 10% off. And then I still added the decals below. They can check out and use copy the code and get 10% off. Now, I'm not done yet, because from here, I could go, okay, they didn't order, or conditional split again. Did they order? Did they not order? And I just keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going until it works. And so I'm not done with the flow. I just want to show you what I've been up to. You can kind of see it when I was filming from back there. I believe this will be the path to my 30K a month journey on top of the mug boats, which may surpass the 30K a month. So I also want to show you something else on how I'm creating these emails, because I think this part's just as important. So I actually have ChatGPT here, and I'm able to create, I'm like, hey, can you create me a follow-up email on this template? And I sent so the email number one was from ChatGPT I got created, but I copied that exact email and then asked for a follow-up email. So as you can see, I go down here, it says, hey, I hope this message finds you well. I'm just reaching out again. And so I sent it over. And so, but what I also asked it to do was I want to send them a 10% off with this follow-up email, right? Because you want to give them an offer. They did not purchase the first time, that's fine. It was more just, hey, this is who we are. Here's the decals. Now it's here's 10% off, no big deal. And I'm gonna keep going until they purchase. Now, I'm new to this. You're probably watching this and being like, dude, you're doing this all wrong. Maybe so, I'm learning, but I just believe that in doing this will create me a 30K a month income. So I think this video is actually, I think I'm gonna cut this video short. This is day 14, so this is we're already at 2 weeks doing the day in the life vlog series of getting to 30K a month. So if you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day. I would really love to see you guys there. I want to create more videos like this where I start showing you exactly what I'm doing. Now, it may not be right, okay? But it's what I'm doing to get to $30,000 a month. So it's up to you to kind of gauge what you want to do. So if you enjoyed, let me know, comment down below. I will see you guys for day 15 tomorrow. I'll have a longer video tomorrow. Mondays are always longer. So if you like the longer style format, tomorrow is the day to watch. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great Sunday. All right, I almost forgot. So our Amazon breakdown revenue for yesterday, which was the only sale that I got, was $416.77. All right, so our grand total this month on the 14th, we're at $13,529. So we are $500 off from the $1,000 mark, which would be $30,000 a month. So we are going down a little bit. I can tell we're kind of trickling around the average now. We're on $400 to $500 a day, but we're trying to hit 1,000. So yep, just wanted to put that out there. I know this is already the end of the video prior, but I have to put this in to show you guys that I'm transparent and this is what I do for a living and it's real. So, all right, talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 15. Have a great day.